is the robot in a frying pan?
It's because I made the robot.
It's not food.
What do you mean it's not food? It's a robot. Of course it's not
You
food.
can't cook a robot.
I'm a scientist. It's not supposed to be food.
What's with the ghetto then?
I'm a scientist. This is my lab coat and my lab hat.
Pretty sure that's a chef's hat.
No, it's a lab hat. I'm a scientist, Brian.
Well, because I'm pretty sure I remember that fat teacher from Newark Memorial had that on. He was a chef. The class that I got an F in.
Oh, you mean culinary?
Yes.
No, I thought it was biology.
Maybe. I couldn't tell whether that teacher was a he or she.
Makes sense. Anyway, I made this robot because I'm a scientist.
Do you even know what a scientist is?
Brian, of course I know what the scientist is. Alexa, play The Scientist.
The Scientist by Coldplay from Spotify.
What you gonna do? See Chris?
Ooh.